Welcome back. This is reading lesson 6. Let's begin. So we'll do our letter review, we'll do some word blending, new skill, reading words, and spelling. Always the same. Here we go, letter review. So reminder, you're going to say the name of the letter and then the sound. This is letter P, good, and the sound P. Good job. Name A, sound A. Good job. What's the name of the letter? T, and the sound T. Excellent. Name M, sound good job. Name of the letter S, good, and the sound S. Excellent, good job. Let's do some word blending. So remember, we will do the letter sounds of all the letters, and then we'll blend the word together. Here we go. A, it's going to say right? So let's do the sounds. At. Excellent. Okay, do continuous. Am. Excellent. Do all the sounds first. Map. Good job. Say the sounds. At. Word. Sat. Excellent. Okay, we got it. We're going to blend this one twice, and then we'll say the word. Just sometimes when there's an extra letter, you need a extra blending. Okay. Do the sounds first. Past. Do it again. Past. Good. Past. Excellent. Good. We're on to our new skill. Here we go. So can you say cat? And you hear that sound? Good. And you can say caterpillar. You hear that k sound at the beginning again. And car. And you hear that k sound. Good. So this is the letter C that's in red, and we're using that to represent the k sound. So same in caterpillar, you're seeing a C for the k sound. And there it is again, C for car. Good. So just get your pencil, or sorry, your finger out. You can do it in the air. You can trace it on the table in front of you or on your hand, however you want to do that. But I want you to make a letter C and say C, and the sound is good. Make the letter C. Good. Make the letter C and the sound k. One more time. Letter C and the sound is k. Excellent. So when you see the letter C, you're going to make the k sound. So let's read these. Excellent. Perfect. We did our new skill, and now we're going to read some words with the C's in them. Here we go. So just a reminder, I'll do the sounds, and then I'll say the word. So you can read it and wait just to make sure that you have the word. Okay, here we go. Say the letter sounds with me. At. Cat. Good job. This is a name. Am. Cam. Excellent. Sounds. App. Cap. Because we have 4 letters, I'm going to blend it twice before I say it. So blend it with me. Say the sounds. Am. Do it again. Am. Good. Name. Camp. Sorry, word. Camp. Good. What was this word again? Camp. Read this word. Cap. This word was camp. And this was the word cat. Excellent. Some more words for you. Do the sounds first. Am. Good. Read this word. I'll do the sounds first. Do them with me if you need to. Sat. Excellent. Sounds with me if you need to. Map. Good. It's really good. If you don't recognize the word, use the letter sounds to figure it out every time. Okay? Cast. One more time. Cast. Good. The word is cast. If you don't know what a cast is, that's when if you break your leg and they wrap it up and it gets all hard, that's a cast. Good. Let's do a little bit of reading now. Cam. At. Camp. Good. Camp. Read it again. Cam. At. Camp. Okay, so there's a boy camping. So maybe he's around a tent or a camper. So let's see. Cam sat at camp. So you should be making a picture in your head. And if you had somebody maybe sitting by a tent or in the forest or somewhere camping, that's a good image. Good job. We did our words and now we're going to spell some words. Okay, so have your whiteboard out or your paper and we will get going. Okay, so the first sound is when you hear a, you're going to make a C. Okay, say. When you hear it, you're going to write a T. Good job. Say right? If you're writing an M, good job. And then say, you're writing a P for a P. You got it. Say S. You're writing an S. Good job. Okay, so then read these sounds to me. This is the K, T, P, S. Excellent. So let's just do a little bit of spelling. We'll have 3 words. Okay, first word is cat. What sounds do you hear? So just do some lines. K, A, T. Perfect. You can write the letters. C, A, and a T. Good. What word was that? Cat. Next word is the name Cam. So how many sounds in Cam? K, A, M. Good. So the first sound was K, so that's a C. A, which is an A, and a M. M. Excellent. Good. Last word. Can you say cast? Let's see how many sounds were in cast. K, A, S, T. Right, there's 4 this time. Here we go. Cast. K. So K was a C. A was an A. S, S, and a T. Good. What was that word? Cast. Can you read this word for me? Cam. Good. And this word was cat. Fantastic. You are doing amazing. Good job. You did all the spelling words and you are fantastic. Good job. Check in with your teacher. You'll read some words with your teacher and I'll see you back at the next video. Excellent.